things are changing much faster than they have before. So we're losing sea ice, the temperature rising faster in the polar regions than any other part of the planet. We're finding parts of the ice sheet are melting now and possibly going into irreversible melting, so they will contribute to sea level. So there's a lot of urgency now in what's happening in our science in the polar regions and how they're going to affect the rest of the planet.
New research suggests that breaching the Paris Agreement's 2 degrees Celsius temperature goal could have dire consequences for the Filchner Ronne Ice Shelf in Antarctica, the world's second largest ice sheet. Scientists at the Alfred Wegener Institute for Polar and Marine Research in Germany have discovered that increased volumes of warm deep water flowing into the Filchner Trough, regulated by the Antarctic Coastal Current, are linked to heightened melting at the base of the ice shelf. The study, published in Communications, Earth and Environment, utilized models to project how the influx of warm deep water into the Filchner Trough, reaching depth of up to 1,600 meters, would evolve under the different climate scenarios outlined by the IPCC's shared socio-economic pathways from 2015 to 2100. Under the most optimistic scenario, aligning with the Paris Agreement's target of limiting global warming of 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, warm water pulses increased in frequency. By 2100, the average temperature in the trough rose by 0.5 degrees Celsius compared to the period between 1850 and 2014. However, researchers noted that during intervals between these pulses, temperatures in the trough returned closer to the historical mean, mitigate ice shelf melting to some extent, yet the exact timing and frequency of these pulses remain uncertain. In less favorable scenarios with higher global temperature increases, warm water pulses became more frequent, potentially leading to sustained warming of the trough throughout the year. Consequently, the researchers warned the accelerated melting and subsequent sea level rise associated with escalating global temperatures. This underscores the urgency of meeting the Paris Agreement targets to mitigate the impacts of climate change on vulnerable Antarctic ice shelves and global sea level.